screen, and I'm going to go and look at basic. So I'm going to start out with a password text box. Nope, I didn't want to do that. Okay, so I actually didn't like that, so I'm going to try and delete that. So I'm going to go over to it on my components, and that's
Oh, in Mac, Control C is, oh yeah, you can pause.
Alright, so I'm going to right click on that password text box. That doesn't work. Okay. If I just hold it, no, I can't hold it down. Yeah. Nope. Alright, so I am trying to delete this. Oh, there we go. Okay. So because I have this open in full screen, but because of the size of the page I'm using, I couldn't see the fact that when I selected password text box 1, I had the opportunity to delete. So I was sort of confused. Now when I scroll down, I can see that there's a delete button and a rename button. So I'm going to delete. I'm asked if deleting this component will delete all blocks associated with it in the blocks editor. Yes, because I don't have anything associated with it. Okay. I'm going to go back over and
Let's pause for a second.
yeah, I don't know. So I've decided that I need to build an app that will cheer me up when I'm not feeling good. So I'm going to make a button that I can push, or anyone can push. It's going to say, "Have a great day." So I see on the basic menu, but I have to go back up, so I'm using my arrow keys to scroll back up, that I can drag a button. So I'm dragging a button over to my welcome screen. I want to be able to put it wherever I want, but it won't let me. It puts it in the upper left-hand corner, and I want it to be centered. So I'm going to go back down to my properties and see if I can fix that. I like the background color of my button to be yellow. Happy. Enabled, I think, probably means that if I click on it, it's going to do what I want it to do. We'll see. Font bold, yes. Font italic, no. So I'm clicking on font bold, but not on font italic. Font size, I am going to go with, so actually I just decided that I don't want to have any text on this button. I want to make it a picture of a smiley face that's designed to cheer people up. So I am going to open a new tab in my browser, go to Google, I'm typing in google.com images, smiley face. Okay, found the smiley face I like, and I'm going to, since I know I can't get it from Google, I'm going to save it on my desktop. Right, I'm going to save this as smiley 1. Okay, then I'm going to go back to my App Inventor tab and click on Image. Now I can click on Upload New, Browse, and on my desktop it automatically opens too. I can click Smiley 1. Smiley 1 is a JPEG, so I'm going to see if I can upload that. Yep, so that worked. So I now have a smiley face button. It's pretty big, and it's still on the upper left-hand corner, so I don't want that. And it still has text for button 1 across his little face. Okay, so the shape is currently a square. Let's see what it looks like. I think because I made it a picture, I can't change the shape of it. So I'll just stick with the default shape. I was hoping to make it rounded, so maybe it would cut out the square edges around my circular smiley face. Okay, so I'm going to delete the text because I don't want there to be any text. The text alignment is centered. The width and height are automatic. I don't see where I can change the location of my button. So I'm going to save this, and then I'm going to go back to screen 1 because I remember my alignment there. So I'm going to try align horizontal center, which moves my smiley face. But for some reason I can't change the alignment vertically, and I really want this smiley face to be in the middle of my screen. So try and figure that one out later. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going back to my button. So on components I clicked on button 1.